guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another haul video. The stuff that I've got today is quite a lot of stuff actually, and I've been building it up over the last few weeks and stuff, and months even. There's stuff that I actually forgot I bought that are included in this haul today. So it's a pretty big one. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so to start with, I picked up a new tan exfoliating mitt. So let's open this up. Okay, so this is by the brand Skinny Tan, and it's their exfoliating mitt. It says the orange side exfoliates to prepare skin for smooth application, and the brown side is to remove excess tan. So that looks pretty good, and I think this was like £5 from Superdrug, so pretty affordable. I also picked up from the same brand a dual tanning mitt. This is actually made of velvet. My current fake tan mitt is a sponge and it always goes messy. This is velvet, so it says that it has a much smoother application. It says luxury quality, streak-free finish, stain-free hands, easy wash and reuse. So they say to wash this after you've used it. But yeah, it feels so soft, so I feel like this would be streak-free for applying tan. It feels really nice. I think this was around about £6 as well, £5–6 from Superdrug as well, so I'm excited to try both of those products out. Okay, I think I'm going to go brand by brand. I feel like that's going to be the best solution, so we'll just go by brand. Okay, so we'll start with NYX. So I picked up this NYX First Base Primer Spray. So you guys know I love my Barium Hydro Flawless Fix Primer Spray. Well, I thought I'd pick this one up. It was slightly more expensive than the Barium one, but I thought I'd try it, broaden my horizons a bit. And I got this from Boots, but obviously I haven't tried it yet, so I'll let you know my thoughts on that. Then I picked up two Backup Pro Foundation Mixers by NYX in the shade White. You know that I love using these to make my foundations lighter, and I think there was like a 3 for 2 going on with NYX or something. So I picked up two backups of these. I also picked another Barium Hydro Flawless Fix Primer Water Spray. I think there was a sale on, so I picked this one up as a backup because I am starting to get halfway through my current one, so yeah, I'll need another one. Now the next following items are all from Beauty Bay. So I picked up some LA Girl items. So I picked up another shade in the concealer. So I have the Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. I have it in Porcelain, which is very light, but I thought I'd pick up the next shade, which is Light Ivory. And there's like a huge difference between this shade and Porcelain. I can't find my Porcelain at the minute to show you, but there's like a huge shade difference, so I'm going to have to use this when I'm tanned, or this might even be like a bronzer shade. I don't know what it's going to be like outside the packaging, but I picked up that. I also picked up the foundation from LA Girl. This is the Pro Matte HD Longwear Matte Foundation. I got the shade Ivory. This is the lightest shade they did, but it looks like a pretty good colour for me. Never tried this before, so I'll probably do like a first impressions of this on my channel soon. And I also picked up the sponges to go with it. So these are the LA Girl Pro Sponge 2-pack Blending Sponge Duo. Okay, just feeling them. They feel quite nice. Obviously they're not wet or anything, but they feel quite a nice sponge. They remind me a lot of the Real Techniques sponge. So excited to try them, and I'll use them with the foundation. Then Beauty Bay started stocking Wet n Wild a little while back, so I picked up some things from Wet n Wild. So I picked up two of the Wet n Wild Photofocus Face Primer in matte. This is the exact same product as the Wet n Wild Coverall Primer. They've just got it in a new packaging. It says on the top, same formula, new look. So it's exactly the same as the Coverall Primer, which I absolutely love. So I got two backups. I also picked up a lip liner from Wet n Wild. So this is the Gel Lip Liner Perfect Pout, and it's in the shade Bare to Comment. It's like a really pale, you won't be able to see, it's a pale pink nude. So affordable. I think this was like £2 or £3. Now I actually made a purchase on the Morphe website. So Beauty Bay stopped stocking Morphe because Morphe is now a UK site. You can buy things without having to pay customs tax or anything. So I tried the new website and I picked up a few things from Morphe. So I got two brushes. I got the Y14, which is like a tapered highlighting brush, and I got the Y9, which they describe as a contour brush. So I'm very excited to try them. I absolutely love the gold collection. There's not really any collection that I don't love from Morphe, but I really do like the quality on the brushes. They're really nice. I then picked up a pencil sharpener as well from Morphe. I currently don't have a good pencil sharpener, so I thought I'd try the Morphe one, and this was like £2. I then picked up a highlight from Morphe. This is the High Impact Highlighter in the shade Spark, but I feel it's too dark for me. It's pretty deep, so I might have to just use this in the summer or mix it with another highlight. It could even be nice as an eyeshadow as well, so we'll have to check that out. And I picked up a lipstick from Morphe. This is the matte lipstick in the shade Honey. Very nice nude, classic nude. I love that it has an M as well on the top of the bullet. And then the final item from Morphe is this lip gloss. This is the, well, this is just the lip gloss, it says, and it's in the shade Frolic. So that's a like pinky colour, but there's like gold sparkles of glitter running through it, so that's very exciting. Okay, moving on to Maybelline. So I picked up a new nail polish from Maybelline. I already have this nail polish, but I ran out. It's the Superstay 7 Days Gel Nail Colour in the shade Hot Salsa. Hot Salsa, Rose Salsa, Hot Salsa, I don't know, it has two names on you. And I love this colour. This is typically my holiday colour. I like to take this when I go on holiday. It's a nice summery colour. It looks nice against a tan, but I ran out of my other one. It was starting to go really clumpy, so I thought I'd pick up a new one, and this is literally like $2.99. So it's a really nice colour, and they come in lots of colours as well. I picked up two Maybelline lipsticks. Superdrug were doing a 2 for £12 on selected Maybelline lipsticks. So I picked up the shades 107 Fairly Bare in the Colorsensational range. And it's just like a very baby pink, natural, nice colour there. And I also picked up the shade 842 Rosewood Pearl. This is a very mauvey kind of nude, but it has like sparkles on it. It looks like a shimmery lipstick, so very nice. Oh, I forgot to mention from the Beauty Bay website, I also picked up a Dose of Colours lipstick. This is actually it's a lip gloss, and it's in the shade Spill the Deets. So this is a very nice lip gloss. This is like my perfect colour. And people were saying on YouTube that their lip glosses are really good, so I'm excited to try that out. And then the final brand that I have to talk about is L'Oreal. So I have a few items from L'Oreal. So I picked up the Infallible Mattifying Primer base from L'Oreal. This looks like gel. It's like clear gel. That'll be interesting to use as a primer. This is supposed to control oil because it's matte, which I need, so I'm very excited to try this out. L'Oreal is quite an expensive brand though, like for drugstore, so we'll have to see. Now I picked up 3 shades of the colour Riche Shine lipsticks. I already have one shade, can't remember what the name is, but I have like a dark reddish kind of colour, reddish pink. So I picked up the shades 642 #MLBB, and it's a very nudie colour. Then I picked up 112 Only in Paris, which is very pink, nice pink colour. And finally I picked up 245 High on Craze, which is a coral colour, perfect for summer. I feel like this is like a toned down coral as well, so if you're too scared to do bright colours, this would be perfect. So what I'm planning on doing is I'm planning on doing a swatch video of those 3 colours and the current shade that I've got, so keep an eye out for that on my channel soon. Then the final products are these from L'Oreal. So these are the tinted lip oils. These are relatively new, I guess. These are expensive though, they're like £9 each. But there was a 3 for 2 going on in Superdrug, I think. If you can find 3 for 2s with L'Oreal, I'd recommend to do it because it is quite a pricey brand, but when they do 3 for 2, it does significantly reduce the cost. So I got the shades 01 Jelly Peach. This looks orange, but when you open it up, it's like a peachy, pinky colour. It's like completely different to the packaging, which is really nice. I knew that, that's why I bought it. Then I got 02 Sugar Plum, which is like a purpley mauve kind of colour. And then I got 04 Hot Cerise, which is a like bright red, like a reddish colour. It's pretty much the same as the tube. So I'm also going to do a swatch video of those on my channel as well soon, so keep an eye out for them. But I think that's everything from my haul, unless I've forgotten anything. I think that's everything. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. I have plenty of haul videos on my channel if you like watching them. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!